Good morning, children. I hope you are all staying safe and enjoying at home. So today we are going to start with our last class of art camp, that is different types of tools. Today we are going to use different types of tools for painting and you will enjoy this activity. Okay, now for this, first of all we are going to take number 1, corrugated sheet. See children, this is corrugated sheet and we will cut this corrugated sheet into this grass style. Can you see? Grass style. And we will cut this, we will use screws. See, these nails, screws we will use for painting, and we will use dry leaves, or you can take fresh leaves also for painting purpose. Okay, now we will start. First of all, I'll use this corrugated sheet for my painting work. See children, I have colored this sheet like this, and we will give impression on the art sheet. See, like this. We'll press like this. Pick it up. Wow. Now again we will see. Again we will start. You will use very less of water and more of color. See, again we are going to color it. And in this way we are going to do our second impression. See. Got it? Now again the third time. Very nice. Now after this, we will use dry leaves for more impressions. See children, we are taking this dry leaves, and first of all I'll take green and yellow. See children, like this. We will color it in shading part as we have done in earlier activities also, with 2 colors. See children, I have taken yellow and green, and now again we will put the impression like this. Wow. Okay, now again we will put one more impression. All this we are making one garden scene. See, like this. How beautiful it is coming. Very nice. Now in this way you will make all the leaf edges, leaf impressions. Now see children, we have finished with our leaf work, and after this we are going to use the fork. See children, we use this fork for eating purpose, but now we are going to use it for the painting purpose. Very interesting. Again we are going to do double color on this. At the back side of it, this is the front side, I will use back side of it for coloring. See children, like this. See, I have taken orange color, and on the other side I will take red color. See children, again we have used shaded color, and now we will give the impression like this. See, like this. Again we will put the colors. Like this children, okay? Now children, we have finished with the fog flowers. Now we are going to start with the leaves butterfly. For this we are going to take these small leaves for butterfly, okay? Now again we are going to color it. First of all, I am taking pink color. Pink easily you can make while mixing red and white color, so you will be getting pink. So I am again, see children, I am giving pink color on the leaf. I have put some marks on the paper for the butterfly. See, we are going to put the impression and pick it up, okay? Again you can put, if it is not proper, again you can put it. Now it has come. You can take big leaves also for the bigger butterfly, but I have taken small leaves because there is a less space. See, okay? Now I will take one blue color butterfly. Okay, now we are going to use screw for the body part of butterfly. Now for this I am using black color. See children, like this screw is there, you will put color like this. Okay, instead if you are not having screw or nails at home, you can use Johnson's buds, earbuds also for the same. See, so nice impression is coming. One more butterfly I will make here. Okay children, now see children, we have completed with the butterflies. We have done all this leaf impressions, and on the top of it I have put dot with the help of Johnson's birds. See, these Johnson's birds are there, earbuds. I have put dots for decoration purpose, and from this screw I have used it for the body part of butterfly, and fork for the flowers and dry leaves, or you can take fresh leaves for the leaf impression, and corrugated sheet for downstairs fence decoration. Okay, now we will use this green sketch pen, or you can take black sketch pen for stems. Okay, see, now you have to put stem. Now one more thing is left. We will show little bit sky impression also with the help of wax colors only. Little bit grey color and blue, sky blue color. Okay, your painting will look excellent and you will enjoy this while doing it. So everyone will try at home, and you can, it's not necessary you make only this garden scene. Whatever you feel like, you can make and create your own ideas and show something new from these tools. Understood, children? Now see, we have completed all. Again, the last thing is left, that is border. For finishing purpose, I have taken black tape again, and see, we are going to do it like this. 4 sides black tape border, that give the finishing to your painting. So today we have learned how many tools? For corrugated sheet, screw, and Johnson bird. See how interesting. I hope everyone like this activity, and you are all going to do something creative at home and show us on our portal, and from here only you will be getting your SUPW grades. You know it now, children? So okay, bye and take care. Enjoy your day and enjoy your holidays.